Imagine a car that combines sleek, futuristic design, thrilling performance, and everyday practicality all in one package, and still remains incredibly reliable. That's exactly what the 2026 Honda Civic promises. And today, we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Civic demands attention. Its bold, aerodynamic silhouette, sharp LED headlights, and redesigned grille give it a sporty yet refined personality that stands out in traffic. Sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, while the muscular rear with integrated LED taillights and sporty diffuser hints at the performance waiting under the hood. The new alloy wheels and polished exterior finishes elevate its premium appeal, making the Civic not just a practical choice, but a stylish 1-2 step inside. And the cabin immediately feels modern and luxurious. Soft touch materials, a driver-focused layout, and a fully digital customizable instrument cluster make driving intuitive and enjoyable. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, voice commands that actually respond, and wireless charging so staying connected on the go is effortless. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. The seats are supportive, there's plenty of legroom, and improved sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet even at high speeds. Under the hood, the Civic gives you options tailored to your driving style. The standard turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers lively acceleration with excellent fuel efficiency, while the sportier 2.0-liter variant offers more horsepower and torque, paired with a responsive CVT or optional manual transmission. With precise steering, a well-tuned suspension, and balanced handling, the Civic is equally confident in city traffic or on winding roads. Safety is another area where Honda excels. The 2026 Civic comes standard with Honda sensing, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features give peace of mind on every journey, making the Civic one of the safest cars in its class. And it's the little things that truly set it apart. Ambient interior lighting, a heads-up display projecting key driving info onto the windshield, flexible cargo space, and thoughtful storage solutions make daily life easier. While the car's advanced technology keeps every drive exciting, the 2026 Honda Civic isn't just a car, it's a complete driving experience. Stylish, efficient, fun to drive, and packed with cutting-edge features. It caters to both enthusiasts and practical drivers alike. If you want a compact car that delivers everything you could ask for and more, this might just be your perfect match.